Bye. Yeah. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you secrets on how to fix your starter, right? If you have an issue, take the camera to this place. Let the viewer view it. Come with the camera near it. Are you seeing it? Okay, as you can see guys, when you have an issue like this, maybe your Kickstarter, your starter brush have chopped, have cut to the downside. As you can see, this is long and this is long, right? And this is short. Well, I've already created this to belong out. This side was like this before, so I've make an arrangement for that. But what you need to do, you don't need to change the brush, okay? You don't need to change the brush, but this brush you are seeing is original made brush. It's just like a thick stone brush, a very thick. When you use a market brush, it will serve you the way you expect it. All you need to do is come right here, as you can see. When you come right here, pull this up. When you pull this up, make sure you shift it to the back side. Just like this. Let me give you. Hope you guys are listening carefully. As you can see, come on, shift this. Okay, make sure you pull this out. Okay, when you pull this out, right? When you pull this out, this is what you do. You now make it like this. It was like this, right? You now turn it to this way and push it in and return the spring. When you do so, as you can see guys, it has come back the way I've made the other side, right? This can serve you for a year without changing your starter. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on my next video.